Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Graphical User Interfaces, GUIs, provide a visual way for users to interact with software applications. Python offers several libraries for GUI development, with Tkinter being one of the most popular and widely used. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of Python GUI programming using Tkinter and provide examples to help you get started. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you don't need to install it separately. This minimal example creates a basic Tkinter window with the title Hello Tkinter. Widgets are elements like buttons, labels, and entry fields that you can add to your GUI. Let's add a label and a button to our window. The pack method organizes the widgets in the window. You can also use other geometry managers like grid and place. Now, let's make the button interactive by adding an event handler. The command parameter in the button widget specifies the function to be called when the button is clicked. Let's create an entry widget to get user input. The entry widget provides a text entry field. We retrieve the entered text using the get method. Here, we demonstrate the use of checkboxes and radio buttons. Graphical User Interfaces, GUIs, are an essential part of many modern applications, providing users with an interactive and visually appealing way to interact with software. In this tutorial, we'll explore GUI programming in Python using the popular Tkinter library. Tkinter is the standard GUI toolkit for Python and comes pre-installed with most Python installations. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Tkinter is included in the standard library, so no additional installation is required. Let's start with a simple Hello World example to demonstrate the basic structure of a Tkinter program. Save this code in a file with a .py extension and run it. A window will appear with a label and a button. Clicking the button will update the label with the text Hello, Tkinter. Tkinter provides various widgets like labels, buttons, entry fields, and more. You can organize these widgets using layout managers. The most common layout manager is the pack method, as seen in the example above. Other layout managers include grid and place. This example uses the grid layout manager to organize widgets in rows and columns. In the examples above, we used the command parameter of the button widget to specify a function to be called when the button is clicked. These functions are often referred to as callbacks. Tkinter supports various events, and you can bind functions to these events using the bind method. In this example, the label's text changes when the mouse enters or leaves the label area. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to GUI programming in Python using Tkinter. Experiment with these examples, and as you become more comfortable with Tkinter, explore more advanced features and design principles for building robust and user-friendly applications. Tkinter documentation is a valuable resource for diving deeper into the capabilities of this library. Tkinter documentation. ChatGPT. Title: Getting Started with Python GUI Programming, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Graphical User Interfaces, GUIs, play a crucial role in enhancing the user experience of software applications. Python, a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language, offers several libraries for GUI development. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of creating GUI applications in Python using the Tkinter library. This code sets up a basic Tkinter window with a title and dimensions. This code demonstrates how to handle button click events and update the label accordingly. This example extends our GUI to perform addition using user input. Congratulations! You've created a simple GUI application using Tkinter in Python. This tutorial covers the basics, and there's a lot more you can explore, such as additional widgets, styling, and more advanced features. Tkinter documentation, https://docs.python.org/3/library/tkinter.html, is a valuable resource for further learning. Happy coding! ChatGPT